Here at the Doug and Nikki Outdoor Testing Studio, we ran into a problem. You've probably seen a bunch of RC car reviews here, and the new cars are all coming with this option where you could upgrade to a 3S battery and make your ridiculously fast RC car go really ridiculously fast. And I thought it was only appropriate that as I do my future reviews that I would test it at the upgraded really ridiculous fast in addition to the ridiculous fast that it comes in. And this is the way to get there. So I got this battery. It is a 3S battery. It is plug and play for the hobby grade ones. Most of the RTR ones, the ready to run ones, you'll need just a simple little adapter to plug it into. But outside of that, it is ridiculous. It makes it go crazy fast, just like you would think it would. So overall, there's only one thing to say. This is definitely a super fun 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.